Hey, what's going on, guys? How's everybody doing? Solas Movies here again, back with a new car for the channel to show you guys. As you know already, you might be guessing what it is. I found this beautiful 1998 Mustang GT in pristine conditions, hard to find these days. Here it is. Got the Pacific Green 5-speed manual, 4.6 V8 GT, everything original. The only thing it's got is a cold air intake. It's incredible how pristine I found this car. It's in really good conditions for the year, especially where you find down here in South Florida. It's got the alarm and everything. I mean, look at the sticker, guys. That's when I knew I was dealing with a car that was garage kept. It's got all the stickers. Got the interior. It's got that beige interior. It's starting to grow on me. It's not my favorite, but again, these cars are now becoming a rare find. This is the only thing that it's got here with the steering wheel. They wrapped it on this black leather. I gotta get a new steering wheel. Look at that dashboard. All original, unmolested. Cassette and CD player. Stock shifter. Got your fog lamps. 12 volt. Cigarette lighter. Look at the condition on that seat, that leather seat. Got the owner's manual as well. Last oil change done at a Ford dealership. Really good condition car. I plan to, again, I said it many times, I plan to keep this one and build it. I bought some eyeback springs that are on the way yesterday from American Muscle. I was gonna go ahead and get the wheels and tire package too, but a lot of things due to COVID are out of stock. I was looking at the wheels from the 2003 Cobra model wheels, but they're out of stock in chrome, because I think the chrome and the green will look really good. Also the tires, some of the tires are out of stock, so those are the plans right now, is to do the wheels and tires and the eyeback springs. I did get them, and that's gonna drop about 1.7 in the front and 1.5 in the rear, which I think it needs it. But it is completely unmolested except for the air intake. Let me get a cold start for you guys. So completely stock exhaust. That noise that you hear is the throwout bearing or the pilot bearing, one of the two, because as soon as you press on the clutch, the noise goes away. So I got to work on that as well. Let me pop the hood to show you how pristine this engine bay looks. So 4.6, the notorious 4.6. And look at this, guys, how clean this whole engine bay is. Got a Motorcraft battery, MSD coil ignition, MSD coil. .6, all reliable 4.6. Again, that noise that you hear is the throwout bearing or the pilot bearing, one of the two, not sure yet. So you can hear it definitely goes away once you press on the clutch. Completely quiets down. Look at that paint. Beautiful car, guys, that I found for an incredible price also. Original wheels. Let me show you the bottom of the car. So you see it's it even came with a cover. Garage kept. Look at that, no rust. They usually get rust down here. I got lucky with the conditions this car is in. Alright guys, let's take it for a little spin. You could get a POV view of the car, of the driving experience. Man, I really love these cars. This SN95 New Edge, this is what calls me. Well, I'm sure as you've seen the channel, you know what I'm talking about. I had so many of this, but every time I get away from this frame, this lightweight body, I definitely get nostalgia. Hits me hard, and I get back to getting this car. You know, I had an 18 and 19 Mustang GT. It's a different feeling. I wouldn't say they're not. Those are not muscle cars anymore. They're just sports cars. They just hook and go. And with this, you can have a little bit of fun on the corner, spinning the tires easily, and just enjoying how nimble the body of these cars are compared to what's out there these days. Do a second gear pull here. Let's do a dick. Slow but fun. No issues with the synchros, nothing. right, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you want to see from the channel, from the car, and thanks for all the years of following the channel. I had another black 94 GT that was just sold, and the gentleman that bought it actually recognized me. He said, oh, I've watched you on YouTube for many years, and that was really cool. So shout out to Alex. He came and got the car. Hope you're enjoying it, and take care, guys. See you later.